In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple but powerful Notion goal tracker from scratch. This setup is perfect for tracking personal goals, habits, fitness, finances, or learning progress all in one clean table. You don't need any templates or advanced formulas, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully working goal tracker you can customize anytime. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the Goal Tracker page. If you're using an existing workspace, just open the page where you want your tracker to live. Once you're on the page, click anywhere below the heading so your cursor is active and ready to add content. Now type /table on your keyboard. From the menu that appears, click on Table View. When Notion asks how you want to create the table, choose New Empty Data Source so we're starting completely fresh. At the top of the table, click on the title and rename it to Goals. This will be your main database for tracking everything. Next, click on the default name column. Rename this column to Goal Name so it's clear what each entry represents. Now start adding a few example goals. In the first row, type Read Books. In the next row, type Save for Trip. Then click New to add another row and type Gym Session. These will act as sample goals you can later replace with your own. Now let's add a status tracker. Click on Add Property, then choose Status. This allows you to track whether a goal is not started, in progress, or completed. Click into the first goal status and select Not Started. For another goal, choose In Progress. You can repeat this for each goal so you can visually see where you stand at a glance. This is extremely useful for staying motivated and organized. Next, we're going to track numbers. Click on Add Property again and select Number. Rename this property to Current. This column will represent your current progress toward each goal. For example, for Read Books, type 2 if you've read 2 books so far. Move to the next row and type 1200 if you've saved 1200 toward your trip. On the next row, type 0 for Gym Session if you haven't started yet. Now let's add one more number column for your targets. Click the plus icon to add a new property, choose Number, and rename it to Target. This will represent the goal you're trying to reach. For Read Books, type 12. For Save for Trip, type 5000. For Gym Session, type 20. Now you have a clear comparison between where you are and where you want to be. At this point, your Notion goal tracker is fully set up. You can add more goals, customize statuses, or even add formulas later to calculate progress percentages. The beauty of this system is how flexible it is, and you can scale it as your goals grow. And that's it. You've successfully created a Notion goal tracker from scratch. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.